Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel we provide the in-depth knowledge of different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, which differentiate you with others. In our series of pointers, today we are going to discuss another question that will clear your more concepts regarding pointers. I got lot of mails, phone calls from the students. They are enjoying this series very much, so I tried to put the best questions in front of you from which you learn something. So in our pointer series today we are going to upload 5th lecture. Let's discuss, then we will upload the lecture. Here in a small program void main, character A equal to Visual C++, character star B is equal to Visual C++. I think into these two lines you are not having any doubts. Why? Because what is A here? A is an array of type character to which Visual C++ string is initialized, whereas character star B is equal to double quote Visual C++. Again, B is what? B is a pointer to a character to which we are initializing the Visual C++. In A, the base address of the 0th element is stored, and in B also base address of 0th element is stored. Now A is a character array, whereas B is a pointer to a character. No doubt name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. In character one dimension array, 0th element is a character, so no doubt name of the array is nothing but a pointer to a character. Why? Because name of the array gives the base address of the 0th element of the array. In character one dimension array, 0th element is what? 0th element is a character. So name of the array is what? It is nothing but a pointer to a character. Getting my point? So here A is an array, whereas B is a pointer. A is an array of type character, B is a pointer of type character. Then with the help of printf we are trying to print something. Print \n %i size of A, size of B. Printf %i size of value at A and value at B. Now what is A here? A is a character array. What is size of? Size of is an operator. Which type of operator? Unary operator. Size of is what? It's a keyword. It is the only keyword, or it is the only operator which is acting as a keyword also. It is the only keyword which is also acting as an operator also. So size of, what size of returns? Size of returns the number of bytes allocated by an operand. So when I write size of A, it will return number of bytes allocated in memory with a name A. So when I write size of B, how many bytes it will allocated for B. Then size of value at A, it will display the number of bytes allocated by size of A, and then same with the case of size of value at B. Now what is A here? A is an array. So when I write size of A, so it will display 11. Why it is displaying 11? Because Visual C++ 10, and at the end one \0 is also there. Why? Because double quotes means it's a string, और string की पहली quality क्या है? If any character array is terminated with \0, it becomes a what? String. So is there any difference between a character array and a string? If somebody asks in the interview, your answer should be always yes. What is the difference? If any character array is terminated with \0, it becomes a string. Every string is a character array, whereas every character array is not a string. Getting my point? Means if in what is array? Array is a collection of similar data type. Now here when we are putting double quote, the compiler treat that double quote means it's a string. String है तो पहली requirement क्या? It must be terminated with \0. But here we are not inserting. Compiler automatically insert. Why? Because double quotes is representing a string. Now if I store VISUAL space C++ means single by single. Let's see. If I store like this, suppose V then I, then S. If I store like this, so it will not insert \0 at the end. Why? Because here we are storing character by character, so then A is a character array. Now also it is a character array, but at that time if I store single by single, so it will not become a string, it is only a character array. That is why what we are saying, every string is a character array, whereas every character array is not a string. So here A is what? A is a character array as well as string. So it will return 11, 1 \0. So one character, 1 byte, it will display 11 bytes. Now size of B, what is B? B is a pointer. Size of pointer is what? 4 bytes. Because here we are working with 64-bit operating system. If we talk about 32-bit operating system, at that time size of B will be 2 bytes. There is something known as far pointers. Getting my point? Then printf %i, value at A and value at B. Value at A gives what? V, and value at B also gives what? V. V is what? V is a character array. In both the case we are getting 1 and 1. Getting my point? Now let's discuss. Size of reports the number of bytes occupied by an entity in the memory. The array A is reported to be of 11 bytes because there is a \0 sitting at the end. B is a pointer, hence its byte size is 4 bytes. Value at A and value at B both yield a character V whose size is 1 byte. That is why we are getting the output 11, 4, 1 and 1. Go through this. Any doubt you can ask me, otherwise we will proceed further. What is size of? Size of is an operator or it's a keyword which returns the number of bytes allocated by the operand. तो A के लिए कितने bytes allocate हुए हैं? 11 bytes. B के लिए कितने bytes allocate हुए हैं? 4 bytes. Value at A means V के लिए कितने bytes allocate हुए हैं? 1 byte. Value at B means V के लिए कितने bytes allocate हुए हैं? 1 byte. That is why we are getting the output 11, 4, 1 and 1. Go through this. Any doubt you can ask me. You can ask the doubt in my comment section also. I will try to reply within 24 hours. Okay, let's proceed further. Now let's see here. Now same program I have typed in the Visual Studio. Let's try to execute. Here we execute the output. Here output is what? 11, 4, 1 and 1. Same program. Size of A returns, see here, character 11. हालांकि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1 is \0. Space is also a character, na? Size of B 4 bytes. Size of value at A 1 byte. Size of value at B 1 byte. I think we should stop here. If you like the content of this channel, please like, share and subscribe as much you can. It motivates us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.